Hey guys, at this time, your response is already done. I'm so proud of you guys for working with Stamina to write your 4-paragraph essay. So today is time for editing and revising. This would be the time that you would be conferencing with me, and I must say, I miss our conferences. So just pretend that you're conferencing with me and use this checklist as a guide. I do suggest using a different colored pen or pencil than what you have been using so that you can see where you make your changes. Okay, this checklist is going to help you to edit. Remember, all of your paragraphs should have indents in the beginning. All of your sentences should have a capital letter. Your proper nouns, so the title of the text that you read and the title of the locations should have capital letters. Make sure each sentence ends with a punctuation. It could be a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. And don't forget to check your words for correct spelling. These are all ways to edit your text. Here are some ways to revise your text, if I can scroll down, to make your text better. There we go, revising. Ask yourself, who's reading your work and will they find it interesting? Maybe your parents are reading your work. Maybe you're reading it to your friend over the phone. And your teacher, me, will definitely read it. So make sure while they're reading, they're not falling asleep. I hope you have some catchy leads. And if you don't, go ahead and add them in there now. Did you start your story with an interesting introduction that will make the reader want to read more? And not only is your introduction exciting and interesting, but does it correctly describe what your essay is all about? Okay? If you're just talking about how scientists help endangered species, that's really great, but you also want the reader to know that you're going to be talking about the similarities and differences in how scientists help endangered species. That's really important to this task. Did you use transition words in your body paragraphs and your conclusion paragraphs? Will your sentences paint a picture in the reader's mind so that they can visualize what you have written about? So use juicy describing words, boys and girls. Did my sentences stay focused on the topic? If you started writing about chicken nuggets, I think you have to revise. Do all of your sentences make sense? Sometimes when I write too quickly and I forget some words in my sentences that I need. So just go ahead and reread it aloud so that you know whether or not all your sentences are complete. Have I used interesting words that the reader will enjoy? Let's stay away from using the same words over and over again. If you guys want to use thesaurus.com and have the ability to use thesaurus.com, go ahead and take advantage of that. That goes along with number 8. Have I overused any words or phrases? Change it up every now and again. And is my conclusion effective? Does it end the text? Remember, you don't want any juicy facts in your conclusion again, but you do want the reader to understand what they just read about. If you guys have all of these in your text, then you are good to go, guys. Remember, use a different color pencil because it'll really help you see your changes.